Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. I had been really struggling to find a comfortable, easy to use pair of gardening pruning shears, and I finally found them with this pair by gonicc. I love how comfortable this handle is. It is padded and has a wonderful grip, so I don't have to worry about it slipping out of my hands, falling down, and landing on my toes. It also cuts so well. Now, I originally bought these to help cut wildflowers. Well, they're not up yet, so I have been using these on my bushes and trees, and I was so impressed with how easy it was to cut through even thicker branches and dead branches. Now, I'm a big procrastinator, so I definitely should have started this job earlier in the year. But even though they were nice and thick and green, it was still so easy to use. I like that it does stay locked completely on its own, and you easily flip this little switch and you can cut. It has a great little almost telescopic piece right here, and I just love it. And they're so sharp, it cuts through things nice and easy. So if you're looking for a pair of super comfortable and super sharp pruning shears, then this pair by gonicc is the way to go. And that's my point of view.